Folks, it was a beautiful Saturday out there. We saw plenty of sunshine. We saw a lot of sunshine yesterday, but then we had that quick moving round of storms that moved through our central counties, even some hail and wind reports as well. But here's what we're dealing with in Tyler. Plenty of sunshine on our Cables Roofing sky view. As we look at that temperature, we are still in the upper 70s across the majority of the area, including Tyler Pounds Airport, currently at 77. Winds are north-northeast at 8 miles per hour. A look around the region, we've got upper 70s and lower 80s. Lufkin cracking 80 degrees. We're at 81 right now. It's 77 in Crockett. We're at 73 in Athens. Just looking back at the almanac, if this stands, we will have seen a high temperature of 77 at Tyler. That is about 3 degrees beyond the normal high of 74. And in 1974, we hit a record high of 91. Now, I don't have 90s in the forecast this weekend, but the thinking could change a little bit as we move into Monday. We'll talk about that here in just a few minutes. But folks, it's April 1st. That's no April Fool's joke. You can see over the month of March, we saw the seesaw that we tend to see in the spring months here in East Texas. We had 18 days where our high temperatures were above normal versus the 13 days that we had below normal high temperatures. Of course, the below normal highlighted in the green and then the above normal highlighted in the red. So tonight we'll fall to a low of about 53 degrees, increasing clouds, high temperatures tomorrow in the upper 70s and lower 80s for the most part. Lufkin will hit 82. It will be 79 in Nacogdoches. Here's satellite and radar. High pressure continues to build in. We're not going to see storms or anything like that tonight. However, tomorrow those storm chances will be on the increase. Note this front. This is actually going to move off to the north and provide us with the moisture in the lift that we need for those showers and thunderstorms to develop. So here's Futurecast. 11 o'clock this evening, not a lot going on, but we will see those clouds increase beyond that front. Could see a shower or two early tomorrow morning, but folks, this isn't going to affect your church or brunch plans because we're just seeing a few clouds. I'm more concerned if you have those plans tomorrow afternoon because the radar begins to light up to the west of DFW. That happens as early as 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And then as we head into about 3, 4 o'clock, still a few showers and thunderstorms around. And then the main event will get going after about 6 o'clock. You can see the storms to the west. They move into our area for Tyler and Longview by 8. And then this all begins to shift off to the east by 10 o'clock. And then we dry out by early Monday morning. Slight risk of severe weather. This does include Tyler and Longview. Everybody's been asking about the tornado threat. It looks like the main threat will be off to our west, but that 5% risk, which is relatively low, does include portions of Anderson and Henderson County. And what we saw on Futurecast, it does look a little bit fishy, so I would not be surprised if that was pulled eastward like our hail threat is. But once again, hail is the main threat with these storms that do occur tomorrow. Large hail is at a medium, but damaging winds, tornadoes, flash flooding, could certainly see that possibility there, but they're all between a low and a medium threat. Here are their Futurecast rain amounts, and once again, this isn't going to be a complete washout, but we could see some pretty heavy rain over a short amount of time, especially the further north you go. Quick check of the 7-day forecast. We're at 79 for your Sunday, 87 degrees Monday, and then we are tracking those temperatures in the 60s and 70s for the remainder of the week. Deep East Texas, similar trend, 82 Sunday, 89 Monday, so close to 90 degrees there on Monday. Decent rain and storm chances starting Wednesday. Lauren.
Thank you, Carson. Damage and